Peace, guys. How's everyone doing? Just had to kind of just like focus my thoughts there for a second so I can explain this the best way I possibly can. And let's shoot for a 10-minute video. This is honestly like something that a lot of people, I rarely ever meet anybody who knows about what I'm about to describe. So this is a really cool, interesting video for you guys to use as a third eye, technique, third eye meditation technique. There are different applications for what I'm about to show you. There's different things you can do with what I'm about to describe. All right, so I don't know how many of you have ever heard of a third eye vision screen. Maybe some of you, I don't know, but let me tell you something that could possibly really change you here on out, especially if you practice this technique and you harness it and you really get somewhat sufficient at it. Again, there's multiple applications to what I'm about to share. So I'm not sure how I want to share it exactly, but I'll just kind of start talking about it, and hopefully it will make sense. So imagine closing your physical eyes, and you just have them closed, or even better, sensory deprivation, sleeping mask that works really good and blocks all light and everything out, right? So it's just black. But you can do this with just your eyes closed in a darker room, or if you get really good at it, you can do it even outside during the day. It just depends on how good you get at it. So what exists within our auric field, within our energy field, the energetics, and how our energy bodies are connected in our third eye, our pineal gland is connected to the non-physical, to energetic matter. Okay, so the third eye vision screen is basically it exists in front of your forehead, about 2 feet, usually in around an arm's length. Of course, different people have different lengths of arms, right? So to be more precise, let's just say a couple feet in front of your forehead, in front of your sixth chakra, in front of your third eye center, in front of your pineal gland, right there, boom. 2 feet in front. Imagine, with your eyes closed, imagine an oval shaped screen, mirror quality to it, but it's more of a screen. It's a screen that you're going to see three-dimensional imagery within that screen. In that screen, it can access different things. It's not just used for one thing. Okay. And I'll talk more about that in either this video or maybe another video, because there's a lot of information. But this energetic screen, but let's call it a third eye vision screen, but it's made of energy, is oval, and it's about, let's say about a couple feet tall, and it's about 1 foot wide. Okay, oval shape, 2 feet tall, 1 foot wide. And within that vision screen, as you start to see it with your mind's eye, with your third eye, with your physical eyes shut, or sleeping mask, as you see this oval vision screen, the colors on it are going to be more like light gray, not really dark, just kind of like whitish and light gray range of the color spectrum. And then you'll see a border, an outline on that oval-shaped vision screen, and then around, all around this vision screen, everything else will look really smoky, somewhat staticky, like kind of like static and smoke combined, but it's going to be like a darker shade of gray. So the oval vision screen that you're seeing with your mind's eye 2 feet in front of your forehead is like a light gray. So it stands out. You can really see it, and it's energetic. It pulsates. So remember that too. It's vibrating. It's vibrating much faster frequency than like, you know, something like looking at a mirror or a TV screen in front of you in your living room in this physicality. So it's pulsating. It's sending white flashes. So it actually, the flashes are kind of like camera flashes. You know, when you see a camera flash go off, especially if you weren't like expecting it, and it kind of like shocks your eyes a little bit, or your vision, or it kind of blinds you temporarily, right? So you see that, those kind of flashes, they pulsate out of this this screen, and that's just the get-go. Like, that's the beginning phase of this particular kind of third eye vision screen that you are utilizing and have access to. And I believe from my own experiences that this vision screen, like I said, it's part of energetic matter. It's like on a certain layer of our auric field, but this vision screen's at least a couple feet out. And I think that most people, or just about everyone, has access to it through their mind's vision, through their mind's eye, okay, through their pineal gland. You have the ability to see that, the way I'm describing this. So I know this might sound complicated, or there might be too much information, but I'm trying to explain this the best way I can so that you can understand what I'm saying. And so it's something to practice. Like what I just explained in this video is something to try the way I talked about it, and then start seeing what I'm describing. And as you get to that point of where this is occurring, and you are viewing it through your mind's eye / consciousness, right? You're aware of what's happening, and you're focusing on what you're seeing. Then realize that there's multiple applications to this third eye vision screen, okay? And you can do like remote viewing stuff through the vision screen. You can access the Akashic database, the Akashic library, records, plane, whatever you want to call it, because the Akashic, all the data that's within the Akashic plane where it's collected, is an energetic matter too, just like this vision screen. So it can connect energetically to whatever data in the Akashic, and you can just see that data with your mind's eye, third eye vision screen, instead of actually having an out-of-body experience and shifting consciousness into one of your astral bodies and accessing the Akashic records in your astral energetic body. So this vision screen is a neat little technique. You can still access things non-physical and information and timelines and Akashic, or you remote view and do all kinds of things, but without having to go through the whole process of really trying to meditate and intentionally try to get out of your body, or you're trying to do it when you have spontaneous out-of-body experiences, but then you maybe forget what that total intention was. So you can go into a meditation like the way I described in this video, and see your third eye vision screen in front of you. Test it, practice it. It's there, okay? I want to hear comments on this. I want people to come back and comment when they try doing this. I want to hear from you guys, okay? If you have a really crazy experience, just email me if you don't want to leave a comment on the video, which is totally cool. That's fine too. Alright guys, I'm at 10 minutes. Just wanted to spend 10 minutes talking about this so far. There's more information. There's more to express and talk about. But I didn't want to make this a little too complicated. So I really hope that you test what I'm saying in this video, because you'll find out, if you don't know yet, you'll find out that you have this. I think that everyone has access to this. Honestly, I mean, I don't know why. I mean, if I have access to it, then anybody else around me should have access to it also. All right, talk to you soon. Peace.